Hey guys, George Handyman Hints. I'm doing a quick video today. I got a spray. I've been doing this for 31 years. Actually more than that in my old house too. So probably almost 40 years. I've been spraying for carpenter ants. Long Island wasn't carpenter ants. It was just ants in general. It was a beachy area. Well, anyway, what I've been using, I didn't always use this, but I'm using this Taurus SC. Okay, I believe you put 0.40 to a gallon of this. I'll double check that in a minute. And use a garden sprayer. And what I usually do is spray right here, like right at the line of the siding and the ground. I do up and down, all around the whole home. Okay, all through, all around the house. Okay, now I just did this as you've seen in prior videos. This is all wet from the rain last night. But I really want to do a test spot of this. I don't want to stain this new stuff I just did. So I'm going to do it on the side of the house. I'm going to mix a batch. And basically, I'll pause the video. I'll put it on a stand and I'll show you what I can do. Basically, I can tell you what you do, basically. But, well, whatever. Let me do it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, make sure you guys can see me here. I don't know why I always say that, but I do because I want to make sure, see what the heck I'm doing here. Okay, so what you do with this, okay, I'm gonna read the directions anyway, just for the heck of it, but I'm almost positive, and there is no direction. Oh, there is. No, there isn't. But okay, I could tell you this. I'll double check it right now. But you go up to the 40, okay, and you mix it to a gallon of water. So this is it might be a 2 gallon. Let me see. I don't know. No, it's a gallon. It's a gallon mixer. I forgot what the hell I bought, to be honest with you guys. All right, so you break this thing loose. This, unscrew it. Didn't get the damn thing unscrewed. Yeah, I usually undo this whole thing, so that's why it's giving me a little bit of a... All right, let me just do that so I don't have to fight it on TV. I mean on the video. There we go. So you take that, break that loose. Okay? And then what I'm gonna do, what you do with this is, I'll show you. You tilt this, okay, until this fills up. So, I know it's hard for you to see. Actually, tilt it this way, I'm sorry. So, I can't even see it. Let me see if you can see it in the sun here. Wow. Okay, there you go. Hopefully you can see that, okay? And what you do is you kind of do this trick. You go all the way around. It's kind of weird, but... And you see the way it's filled? Okay, so I'm at 40. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video. I'll bring it on the side of the house. I'll show you how I apply it. And it's pretty basic. I do hit the garage floor here, all the way across as a barrier. Because I got so much stuff in here, it's very hard for me to spray the board, along the walls and all that stuff. So that's how I do it. I got so much stuff in the basement, I can't even do it in there either. But if you do a good perimeter, you will block. So, all right, I'll just pause. And guys, also I'm gonna use a respirator. First time for me. Not that that's anything to be proud of. I should be using it my whole life, but. So I'm gonna do that now. It doesn't smell too bad, this stuff, if I remember correctly, but, well, I'm going to wear it. So anyways, and we'll see how this stuff, if it stains at all. Okay, guys, I got the respirator on, but I'm going to put a gallon of water in here. I already put the amount of TC, the Taurus TC in there. So I'm going to go up to the gallon mark, which is right here. I'll fill it up with water. And we're just going to go to the top of the mark. Very hard to see, but we'll get it. Okay, we're there. Okay, all set. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. We'll put the top on, shake it up, and I'll get you started on the side of the house. Thanks. Okay, guys, we're gonna start spraying. See how good. I'll see how we do here. My tip is a little messed up on this thing too, so there we go. Okay, see what happens. Oh, gotta adjust. Well, you want a steady stream on this thing. If you can get it. That's good. There's a spray. Well, I don't know how much of that you saw. Yeah, you could see all it. I don't know if it's going to stain it or not. I hope it shouldn't. It's not supposed to. So, I don't know. Guess we're going to find out, huh? So, what we're going to do, I'm going to get the respirator off so you can hear me. Okay. Whew. It does stink, I'll tell you that much. Now, I'm talking about something else. Let me rephrase that. Oh, gosh. Okay. Whew. Gotta get the smell off this thing. Whew. I am not a fan of these respirators. I mean, it's the thing to do, but they're a problem. For me, they are anyway. Hard for me to breathe through. But anyway, whatever. That's just my personal problem. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do is wait a few minutes, see if it leaves me a stain at all. Okay, I don't know. I mean, this is different concrete than what I had on here, so. Another problem with these if you're gonna get yourself a respirator, get yourself a good one. This is okay. This thing's just keep popping off on me, so. I don't know, maybe it's the way I got this thing set up. Actually, you know what? I'm probably supposed to have this behind the plastic. Let's see. Nah, that ain't it. Just sucks. Okay, anyway, whatever. It's a Harbor Freight. And, well, it's perfect for just, average stuff. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. We're going to see how this dries. Okay, because I really want to get it done. I was going to do the pool today. And I don't know. The sky was like going to pour any minute. And Now you can see. There you go. It's crazy. Weather in this place is nuts. 1 minute it looks like it's gonna rip. Next minute, sun's out. Now I guarantee you, if I did the repair on the pool, that would have been the end of it. All right, let me pause the video. I want to shorten it up, obviously. Well, let's see how we do with this stuff. All right, so stand by. Okay, guys. Well, I got a little lazy and I just sprayed the whole house. You can't really hardly tell because the foundation's a little bit damp from the night before, but it's not staining it, so I didn't think it would. But hey, you never know, you know. I mean, it's hard to tell in the pictures here, but there's a spot right there. I mean, some of it's wet, but most of it's dry. So it's not staining it. So it is a good, I know it's a good product, okay? What else we got going on here? So I sprayed the whole house underneath the decks, which is a lousy job, but somebody's got to do it. And I'm the only one here that's going to do it. So, anyway. So, yeah, sprayed along here. Going to redo these beds, but I have to take these trees down. So, I got a guy doing that. It's got to get a day. He's going to do it. I got to get under these porches, which is a nightmare. Anyway, whatever. But yeah, it's drying up. It's fine. That's good. I'm glad because I like the stuff, and I would hate to not use a good product, you know. Okay, so reason why I'm keeping the camera going is I'm going to show you the next project we got going on here. It's a long house. It takes a while to get around. These pool steps I was talking about. So I'm trying to pump this thing down, which is taking forever. I think it's the weight of the cover. They got a lot of water on the cover now. Okay, so here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. See that crack? It's enough to leak it, okay? Through the years, it's gotten a little worse. I don't know if you can see that one so good. But so I got to sand all this material down, okay? And what happened was, years ago, these steps lifted, okay? And the reason why they lifted, and I'll show you why. Incompetence is what I call it, but whatever. You know, I wasn't here when the thing went in, you know. I was working. So I ended up pouring a bunch of concrete under this thing to try and hold it down, thinking that, you know, that was the issue, but he didn't go down deep enough, and I'm not chopping all that up anymore. So it's held up all these years. It was a hairline crack. It became a little bit bigger with the frost. If this keeps becoming an issue, the one repair I did already, it's holding up. The paint I used was terrible, so I'm using marine paint this time. Anyway, I'm definitely going to, if I have to, I'll chop that garbage out and go down and dig down deep. Take the poles out that are there to hold it up. You can see them. It's hard to see them, but yeah. Right in here, that pole you see vertically up and down. Anyway, it's become an issue. Long story short. All right, guys, so that's going to be the next video. After this one, I guess. I don't know. I'm waiting for the good weather here. And so the sun came out. All right. It was actually clear before. I don't know if I could see through this thing so good, but yeah. You can see the blue down there. All right, then it's getting cloudy again. So when I started this thing, it was cloudy. All guy was going to rain. Came out from under this deck here, and the sun was shining and clear skies. Now, you go up and you can see there's clouds coming. I don't know, crazy, man. Whatever. All right, guys, this is George, Handyman Hints. Please like and subscribe and comment. I'm going to try and keep the content coming. When this guy does cut the trees, we'll do a little video of that, if he's okay with that. All right, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, you guys have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.